Through George's eyes, vocabulary. 1. Always. Meaning, every time. Sentence, I always eat breakfast. 2. Found. Meaning, got or saw something that was lost. Sentence, I found my toy. 3. New. Meaning, not old. Sentence, I have a new book. 4. Please. Meaning, a nice word when asking. Sentence, please help me. 5. Thank. Meaning, to show you are happy for something. Sentence, I thank my mom. 6. Amaze. Meaning, make someone surprised. Sentence, the big cake will amaze him. 7. Discovers. Meaning, finds something new. Sentence, she discovers a small kitten. 8. Memory. Meaning, something you remember. Sentence, my birthday is a happy memory. 9. Wonder. Meaning, think about something. Sentence, I wonder where my cat is.